AutoCAD P&ID is a very powerful drafting tool specifically designed to improve productivity while creating and editing P&IDs. The ribbon and tool palette interfaces make AutoCAD users totally comfortable with AutoCAD P&ID, so the learning curve is considerably shortened. In fact, all the regular AutoCAD commands such as copy and mirror work as you would expect, but in a P&ID context, including undo. When piping lines are inserted, they automatically connect to equipment. That connection is understood in the database, and when lines are edited, the connections are maintained. This dramatically improves drafting productivity over regular AutoCAD. Tags are built through attributes which are entered through easy-to-use dialog boxes, and the annotation remains connected to the pipe, allowing easy subsequent editing.